So guys, this is Big Cat Academy. Yeah. So today I want to teach you on how to take out trade, how we take out trade generally from the top down analysis, how we take out trade generally. So the strategy I use is the support and resistance strategy. I use this support and resistance strategy to take my trade. So I start from the daily time frame. Then I start from the daily time frame. I'll map out the support and resistance level from the daily time frame. This is the daily time frame. This is the resistance level, and this is the support. So you can see the support is below. If you don't know support and resistance kind of trading, then go and watch my videos on YouTube. Go and watch my last video on YouTube about support and resistance. So this is the support level and this is the resistance level for the daily time frame. You getting me? So when you get to the daily time frame, you can see this market is more or less consolidating, because if you should get to this point, yeah, and it pushes up, that means it happens to be a consolidating market. Until it gives you a clear structure that is either bullish or bearish. From year to year was bullish, from year to year is bearish. So the level where the market started buying from is the support level, which is the, and the level where the market started selling from is the resistance level. So let's go further to digest this. To 4 hours time frame, you map out another support and resistance level on the 4 hours time frame. You can see this is the 4 hours time frame. Is at this point the market started rejecting from, that's a resistance level, we call it resistance level. That's where sellers took action. The sellers took action at this point and started selling downwards. So where the market had strength of volume to hold it was at this support level here, where the market is holding it. So we can point this as our new support level for the 4 hours time frame. You can see the daily time frame has its own support level, the 4 hours time frame has its own support level. So we can point this to our new support level for the 4 hours time frame. You see that. So when you go down to the 4 hours time frame support level, you see, so we are saying whenever the market gets to this point, we should buy, and whenever the market gets to this point, we should sell. So if we go down to the 1 hour time frame again, we look out for another support and resistance level on the 1 hour time frame. Expand your chart very well. Expand your chart very well. So this is a resistance level, this is another resistance level. You see, you should be surprised that why is the market getting to this point here and gets to this same level, rejected. This thing happened in different time interval. This thing happened on the 15th of June, and the second one happened on the 21st of July, but it still gave the same price action. On the 15th of June 2026, the market was 67,000, and on the 21st of July, the market was 66,000. So you can see it happened in 2 different days, more like 1 month time interval. So this is when you go to the market and they tell you this is the last price I can get for a commodity. You go to the market makers tells you we can't sell below this, we can't sell above this. So on these days and this day, this was the price. That's why you call them your resistance level. Where the market start resistance from, at that price is where you can call out to be your resistance level. So this is the 1 hour time frame. Here's a resistance level here. Resistance number 1, resistance number 2. Remember, we are going into time frames where we can take our trade. And this another is support number 1. Yeah, this zone entirely is a support zone. Or this zone is a support zone where the market started buying from. Again, so you can see this happened on so day, it's happened another day. We're expecting market structure. So but on this market structure, the market is not really giving us a bullish side because it has not broken above here. giving us a bullish trend from here. But if we go backwards, you see that the market rejected from up. So do not forget, a bearish market structure is like this, creating lower low downwards. That's a bearish market structure. So this one has not given you the lower low confirmation, neither has it given you a new high, like a change of character. So but if we check from the higher time frame, you see that it's in is bearish, falling downwards. So let's go to 15 minutes time frame, where we can look out for buying or selling opportunities. If we expand your chart, you can see the 15 minutes time frame. There's another resistance level here at the 15 minutes time frame where the market is resisting from. Always remember to look out for recent price action. It's called recent price action, what the market is doing recently. Recent price action. Action. What the market is doing recently is called recent price action. So the market is rejecting from this point here, which is our new resistance level on the 15 minutes time frame, and it's buying from this point here, which is our new support level on the 15 minutes time frame. So look at what the recent data the market is telling us now. 15 minutes time frame is telling me that this is our resistance level, and 15 minutes time frame is telling us that this level is our support level. So you can see we are looking out for either the market to come to this point here and buy from here, or we wait for the market to get to this point here. This is a resistance and sell downward. So there are two things about it. If you go down to 5 minutes time frame, you see that it's more clearer in the 5 minutes time frame. This zones, this is a resistance level on the 5 minutes time frame too. So you're anticipating the market to either get to this resistance level on the 5 minutes time frame as a recent price action and sell, or wait for the market to go to your recent price action at this level, or maybe put it down like this to this side, because the 5 minutes time frame too. And also use this as a support in the 5 minutes time frame, anticipating that the market will just come back in support and go up, or the resistance will be for the market to hit you at this resistance level and come down. So if I should take a buy trade, I will place my pending order here like this and target the previous high, or wait for 1:2 like this. Or if I should wait for a sell trade, I'll wait for the market to come back to resistance level, which is this side, place my pending order and target this side downwards, making it 1:2, make it 1:2 kind of trade, because this is the resistance level here where the market can come back to respect. The market can come back to respect this zone here. Can come back to respect this level here, because it's visited from here. So these ones are rejecting, so you can just come back to respect it, or it will come down like this to this point here to buy from the previous support level, which is this one. Buy from the previous support level, and there's every tendency that you can as well buy from here when it goes down, creating liquidity sweep and goes up. So by this trade, I'll look out for buy position at this level here, and look out for sell positions at this level. Look out for buy position at that level, and look out for sell position at this level. So I want the market to come and retest and go up, or come here, retest and come down. So anything you don't understand, you can ask me questions. This is how I literally take my trade. So at the end of this video, I may show you what played out or something. So for anything you don't understand, you can send me a DM. And we are taking mentorship for students that are beginners and advanced. We have our inner circle where we drop signals every day. We drop signals every day in our inner circle. We have students that are making money from there too. I just congratulated a student that bought his first land in Abuja. So I congratulated another one too, many of them. So this is real, this is no scam. Get yourself a very good mentor, or chichi. Get yourself a very, not all mentors are fake. Just get yourself a very good mentor, have a very good strategy like support and resistance, and have a very good risk management. So you see me in my next class how I'll be dropping my trade and what really play out. You can see over time all these levels were support level. The market was expecting over time, the market was expecting all this level period of time. Market, that's why I said if we go down to the 15 minutes time frame, you see there's a big possibility that the market can still come back to this side here to buy from here. You get, but because we want to know what the market will do on time, we just go and look out for the closest opportunity that we can buy from, which is here. So just allow the space. There should be a space in this SL where the market can play around before going to your direction. Yes, space in the SL where the market can play around before going to your direction. You know what I mean? So that's why I'm going to smaller time frame, and this is for the selling opportunity. You just wait for the market to hit your baseline level and come down to sell. So any question, just ask me.